Hey guys, I've got a 1-minute tool tip here for you, and this is a dental pick. Actually, I got this one from a hardware store, so it's called a double-ended pick, and it's just got a little sharp end on both sides. And what it's brilliant for is when you're out adjusting rotor heads, you know they've got these rubber caps on them and little rubber flaps to keep the dirt from getting down in there, but it always does. And if you use your adjustment tool and it's packed full of dirt, you're going to strip out that little plastic or soft metal piece down in there. Now, this one is a rainbird head and it uses a slot key, but there are other ones that use a hex key, for the adjustment on the nozzle and all that. And those are kind of prone to getting stripped out, and especially if it's an older head. Just take your dental pick, get down in there and get that stuff out, flush it out so that you can get a good adjustment and not have to replace the head just because the little piece is stripped out in there.